ለዚህ ቪዲዮ አዲስ የሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ ቻናሉን ከወደዳችሁት ላይክ እያደረጋችሁ ለሌሎች ደግሞ በብዛት እንዲደርስ ሼር እያደረጋችሁ ቆዩ። በጣም እናመሰግናለን። የመጀመሪያው ምሳሌ ባይነሪ ዲጂትን ወደ ዴሲማል ነምበር ለመቀየር የመጀመሪያ ምሳሌ አድርገን የምንወስደው 101 ይሆናል። እንግዲህ እዚህ ላይ የምናደርገው የሁለት ፓወርን በማባዛትና በመደመር ነው። እንዴት ነው የምናደርገው? ከዚህ ከታች እንጀምራለን። በቀኝ በኩል ይህንም to the power of 0 እናባዛለን። ሁለት መሃል ላይ to the power of 1 አንድ ዲግሪ እየጨመርን እንሄዳለን ማለት ነው ወደ ግራ to the power of 2። ስለዚህ ምንድነው የምናደርገው? አንድ ሲባዛ to the power of 2 plus 0 times to the power of 1 plus 2 the power of 0 times 1. Okay, to the power of 2 is 4 times 1 is 4 plus 0 multiplied by any number is 0, and to the power of 0 is 1 times 1 is 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. Therefore, next time what we're going to do, we don't use 0 as for addition because any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So we ignore it and we take only numbers that's multiplied by 1. So for now, 101, when it's changed into decimal number, it's 5. Let's continue. For next example will be 1010. Let's see what will be this one. So multiplied by to the power of 0, to the power of 1, to the power of 2, to the power of 3. So 1 multiplied by to the power of 3 plus, we don't take 0, so 1 times to the power of 1. To the power of 3 is 8 plus to the power of 1 is 2. So this will be 10. Let's do more. Our third example will be 1100,101. It might be, it look like long, but we ignore the 2. And we continue. So to the power of 0, to the power of 1, to the power of 2, to the power of 3, to the power of 4, to the power of 5, and to the power of 6. So our number will be 1 multiplied by to the power of 6. We start from the leftmost. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the power of 6 plus 1 times to the power of 5. So we omit or ignore the 2 zeros. Then we do the next one to the power of 2. Then the 0 will be ignored. Then 1 times to the power of 0. To the power of 6 will be 64. To the power of 5 is 32. To the power of 2 is 4. To the power of 0 is 1. 64, 32, 4, 1. This will be 5. This is 6 and 9, 96 plus 5, 101. Very good. Let's continue. Let's see number 0 1 0 1 1 0. What will be this number in decimal? Again, we have to do to the power of 0, to the power of 1, to the power of 2, to the power of 3, to the power of 4, to the power of 5. Okay, so we ignore the first 0, so we count in second number, 1 times to the power of 4. Ignore the next 0, 1 times to the power of 2, plus 1 times to the power of 1, and ignore the last 0. B to the power of 4 is 16, to the power of 2 is 4, and 2, this will be 16 plus 4 plus 2, that is 22. Before we continue with the decimal binary digits, let's see for our convenience, to the power of 0 is always 1. Any number to the power of 0 is 1. To the power of 2 will be 4. To the power of 1, I missed, to the power of 1 is 2. To the power of 3 is 8. So we continue multiplying by 2. To the power of 4 is 16. To the power of 5, 32. To the power of 6, 64. To the power of 7, 128. And to the power of 8 is 256. That's enough, because if you can continue, like you continue to multiply by 2 every digit. Okay, next, what we're going to see is the decimal number. But before that, let's do this one for yourself. 1 1 0 1 0 1 1. So try to pause the video and do it for yourself. Okay, so I try to do it. This is to the power of 0, to the power of 1, to the power of 2, to the power of 3, to the power of 4, to the power of 5, to the power of 6. Okay, 1 multiplied by to the power of 6 plus 1 times to the power of 5. Ignore this 0. Times 1 times to the power of 3. Ignore the next 0. 1 times to the power of 1 plus 1 times to the power of 0. To the power of 6 is 64. To the power of 5, 32. To the power of 3, 8, 2, 1. This will be 3, 11, 96. 96 plus 11 will be 107. Okay, so we'll continue or do this one. 0 0 1 1 1 1. So what will be this one? So I want the answer for this on the comment side. So next one, we continue the decimal numbers. Decimal numbers 1 0 0 1 1.011. Let's change this one. So as usual, we start from this side, to the power of 0, to the power of 1, to the power of 2, to the power of 3, to the power of 4. Now after 0 in number line, to the left is a negative number, comes, so this will be to the power of -1, to the power of -2, to the power of -3. Therefore, the result for this will be 1 times to the power of 4. Okay, ignore the 2 zeros, plus 1 times to the power of 1, plus 1 times to the power of 0, plus, okay, ignore this 0 after decimal, due to 1 to the power of -2, plus 1 times to the power of -3. Okay, and to the power of 4 will be 16, to the power of 1 will be 2, to the power of 0, 1, to the power of -2 is 1 over 4, that will be 1 over 8. So this will be 16 plus 2 plus 1 is 19, plus 1 over 4 is 0.25, 1 over 8 is 0.125. So this will be 0.25 plus 0.125 is, let's see here, 0.25 plus 0.125, 5 times 730. This will be 0.375, therefore 19.0. I'm sorry, 19.375 will be the answer. Let's continue. The next example will be 1101.110. Okay, so this to the power of 0, to the power of 1, to the power of 2, to the power of 3. So this will be 1 times to the power of 3, plus 1 times to the power of 2, ignore 0, 1 times to the power of 0, plus 1 times to the power of -1, plus 1 times to the power of -2. 1 times to the power of 3, 8, to the power of 2, 4, to the power of 0, 1, to the power of -1, 1 over 2, to the power of -2, 1 over 4. So 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13, plus 0.5 plus 0.25. So this will be 13.75. Okay, so this is how to do the changing the binary digit with decimal number into decimal number. So for your sake, change this one, please, and put that on the comment. 1011, 0.101. Thank you for today.